We hear about all of the other viruses, the COVIDs and the flus. I'd love for you to share a little bit about what RSV actually is. I'm here with Dr. Maria, who is a GP and knows all too well about RSV and the impact on the community. Pregnancy comes with a lot of advice, and whilst a lot of it can be helpful, some not so much. I know for many, vaccines can make people feel really unsure and sometimes overwhelmed. Maria, we were out on the streets chatting to so many people, and it was quite interesting to see that a lot of people weren't quite familiar with RSV.
Have you heard about RSV, and do you know about how it can affect little ones?
I know about RSV. I don't know in detail.
I wouldn't say that I'd know an extensive amount.
I don't know what is RSV, so yeah, interesting to know more.
It sounds like RSV is the new kid on the block, but it's actually not. Whilst all of those other headline viruses have been doing the rounds, COVID, your flus, RSV's always been there.
So let's start simple, Maria. I'd love to understand, I guess, what vaccines are available during pregnancy.
Well, there are 3 vaccines that we actively recommend during pregnancy. One is the flu vaccine, one is the whooping cough vaccine, one is the maternal RSV vaccine. So RSV stands for respiratory syncytial virus, and it's actually the leading cause of pneumonia in children under the age of 1.
Wow.
So not only is it common, not only has it always been there, but it's quite serious for our young kids. And the beauty of these vaccines is not only do they reduce the risk of mum getting sick, they actually also protect the baby in those first precious few months of life when they're most vulnerable. When you're pregnant and you get the vaccine, your immune system will make antibodies, and the baby gets those antibodies delivered to them through the placenta. And it actually protects them for those first few vulnerable months of life when they can't actually get any other vaccines.
So if you're pregnant or planning to be sure to ask the question about the RSV vaccine and all of the other vaccines, in fact, during your appointments. They are free on the National Immunisation Program. And of course, if you want to find out more information, head to health.gov.au.